I'm just going to do a small tutorial on how to use a Derma ruler. Usually I really like sectioning my hair, so I'm just going to do a short demo for everyone that have been asking me. This is our 1mm Derma ruler. I'm just going to section my hair and show you how I use it. So it's already clean. I mean, it's actually new, but you can either disinfect it or run into hot water before you use it. For me, it's new, so I'm just going to go straight away. So I have one comb that I will use to section my hair, and I have 2 clips that I use. I have a mirror in front of me, so I might be looking at the mirror just to check in if I'm doing my parting really well. So first thing I do is I just brush all my hair at the back. I like to start from the midsection, so just section them. And I use my clips. And that's my Derma roller. So I just start from the front. Just do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I keep on doing them until the midsection. It's not getting tangled with my hair, and then quickly I just change it to this side. I mean, I'm kind of used to just doing like this now. Don't really need the both of them. I am having a little bit of thinning right now. I haven't been sleeping really well, so I'm just hoping it's gonna help my new hair to grow a bit faster than usual. It's been 15 minutes already since I've derma rolled my scalp. Now I'm going to use Billion Hair Scalp Miracle Treatment directly on my scalp just to hydrate it and promote blood circulation. It has peppermint oil, bakery butter, hyaluronic acid is one of the main ingredients in them. So it's very hydrating for your scalp, and also has peppermint. So you'll get a really cooling sensation on your scalp. I do have a solution scalp applicator that I like to use just to be more even with the solution. So what I do, I just open the applicator, and then I take my miracle treatment, about this much. I just transfer it. I'm going to do my whole head, so I'll take one more, a little bit more. So the solution is already in. You can see the liquid inside. So I'm just going to shake it. I'll just do a quick test so you can see it's already very thin layer. It's not dripping or anything on my face. Same thing, sometimes I do like to part my hair again to be very consistent. So just section my hair and then I just glide it. It's not leaving my scalp oily or too much liquid. So I can do some circulation as well, but I just prefer brushing it.